What up, guys? Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. It is totally free. So today I have a few things to get done, so I felt like, you know what, let me just go ahead and vlog today. So first off, I'm heading down to the dealership, get a new battery for my car because my battery is bad. I had it tested yesterday and it says I got a bad battery, so picking up a new one from the dealership today, and after that we'll see how the day turns out. So make sure you guys watch the whole entire video. Please give it a thumbs up and post a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, like I said, please subscribe. So I'll catch y'all in a few. Alright, y'all, so stupid traffic, man. Oh boy. A-Spec TLX. Alright guys, so just made it down to the dealership right now. I'm about to get checked in and get this new battery put in. So stay tuned, guys. Watch the whole entire video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Be back. Alright guys, so I think I'm seeing something that I like over here. So 2020 A-Spec Acura TL. This blue color is just, it's nice. Now they want to list this one $559 a month or 39 months. The wheels are just crazy. The wheels. 2020 TLX A-Spec model. Shoot. $559 a month leasing. I don't like the whole leasing thing. But this thing is hard, man. This thing is hard. I like the blue color with the black and red interior. I don't know if you can see it, but red gut. Alright guys, so new battery has been installed in the vehicle. Now it's car wash time. And this is a pretty neat car wash. Let me show y'all. So this is Tidal Wave Auto Spa. Okay guys, so as you can see, as I mentioned earlier, just washed the car and I just noticed that I got some of that fucking asphalt shit all over my damn side. So now gotta head to Home Depot, see if I could get some paint thinner, see if I can go ahead and remove, see that bottom skirt side, get that shit all on there. So hopefully Home Depot got some paint thinner that I could use to remove that shit. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like before. And this shit is stuck. So I'm about to hit it with some of Goof Off. Hopefully don't tear up my paint, but I'm gonna do a light coat. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll show you guys the final result. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's a whole new day. I just came outside to check on that side skirt to see how it looks after I did use that Goof Off thing to remove the asphalt shit. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick how it's looking. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got it all cleaned off and waxed up. So I think it did good. Didn't mess up the paint or anything. So that's about it now.